What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have an interesting little video for you guys. I'm gonna be cutting my own hair, and I chose to do it myself because I can never find time to go to a salon, and it's really expensive to cut my own hair. So I watched a bunch of videos last night and I just decided I'm gonna do it myself. If it comes out horrible, then I'll just wear it in a bun all the time like I do anyway. So let's just get started. Okay, so I have a bunch of little hair ties, water, comb, brush, and scissors. I've already brushed out and wet my hair. I'm just gonna part it. So with the first rubber band, I am going to tie it, they said closest here. I followed like 2 videos last night. I am in my upstairs bathroom, so the sound may be a little echoey. I might have to cut some sound out. Okay, so you want 2 pigtails like this. My hair is really long, guys, like really long. So it's really heavy and it's curly. So I want to go probably about here. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to imagine myself with this amount of hair, because I don't want nothing too short. Don't want to look like Dora. So I think I'm gonna go here. Okay. And you have to make it even on the other side. I'm just trying to imagine myself with this amount of hair. It's gonna be so hard. I'm so used to having long hair all my life, and I want it short now. So let's see. Right here, there's bands to come down some more. A little bit more. I think I actually want it. Okay, maybe that's short. I'm scared. Okay, it's about even, so I'm gonna get the scissors and start cutting. I'm gonna take out this much hair. So I already cut half, but it doesn't want to cut. Let me see if I have another different scissors. Okay, it looks like I don't, so I'm just gonna continue with these scissors. It's like my hair is so thick, I can't really get it. don't even care if it's even, honestly. Because these scissors are just not really doing it for me right now. I'm struggling, y'all, but I can see how short my hair is. It's pretty short. I have not cut my hair since, I think, 2014. It's 2019. I know you're always supposed to like trim it and do shit like that, but I was so loving the way like my hair was growing and the length that I wanted to keep it. Then when I got pregnant, I had to take prenatal pills, and guys, it's kind of uneven, but it's not super bad. Like I can totally see the pieces I have to I need to wash clothes tonight. And I had a bunch of like dead hair. I'm so glad to be relieved. Okay, so it's time for the other side. I've never cut my hair on my own. Well, I have, like, accidentally and stuff. I did my own bangs. Oh my god, you know what? Guys, I just realized I'm cutting the wrong part. I'm supposed to cut above the band. Duh. Okay, which is fine. I still cut the amount of hair here. But it definitely was supposed to be above the band. Fail already. Alright, that's cool. I just finished from here. Nobody knows I'm actually cutting my hair. My kids are actually in my sister's room with them right now, which is next to the bathroom. But I don't think she can hear me talking to you guys. Definitely gonna need a shower tonight. Look at you guys. Look at all this hair. I really wanted to donate, but I just don't have time right now to do any of that. I'm pretty sure this is about it. Now it's time to take off the bands. I'm so scared. You guys, it feels so weird. But you know what? I needed this. I really, really needed this. Like, it feels so good. I feel like all this hair just took out a whole bunch of stress. And you know what? I'm not mad about it. My hair goes really fast anyway, so like in a month, I know that it's gonna be really long again. So right now I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit on the ends. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, why did you cut your hair? This and that. Well, you know what, guys? It's fine. It for sure is refreshing. I needed this. I really needed this. I feel like a whole new person. I kind of like regret cutting it, but I have been wanting to cut all this off for a really long time, and I never got around to it. Like I said, these are not the proper hair cutting scissors, but it's all we had in our bathroom. I didn't want to use the cooking scissors because that's nasty. I have to cook anyway in a little bit, but does it look uneven, guys? Because if it does, I'm gonna be really irritated with my hair the entire time. Can't really tell. I don't know how I'm gonna style it because I usually just like put mousse in it, scrunch it up, and it's like curly and like perfect for the rest of the day. And I usually just kind of part my hair like this and wear it like that. But guys, oh my god, I look totally different. I actually like it. I had my hair this short, I think my first haircut ever, when I was like, I think my mom waited till I was like 7, 10 to cut it. But y'all, and I really like how it looks when it's wet. I don't think that it looks bad at all. I actually really like it. The only thing that I wish I could have done was also layer it, because I love having layers in my hair. But you guys, does it look bad? Let me know. Maybe I'll like dye it too when it gets a little bit, maybe like down here. So yeah, so I cut my hair, and I will see you guys in the next video, and I'll let you know what everybody's reaction is next video. Bye.